Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Audi A1 Sport. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the STronic automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 60 miles per gallon. Road tax is just £20 a year and the insurance group is 21. The mileage is just over 28,000 miles and the car comes with full service history. This colour is called Mythos Black and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the original owner chose from the factory satellite navigation, cruise control and rear parking sensors as factory options, so that's good to see. As you can see, you've got the really supportive seats there, all in great condition. Onto the dashboard, you've got your pop-up display there for the already mentioned satellite navigation and Bluetooth for your phone, for example. And this car also has air conditioning as well as automatic headlights and wipers. In the 5-door version, for a small hatchback, you've got good access there into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. A bit of storage there in the centre for the rear passengers. As we open the tailgate, you have your split folding rear seats there and the floor, which you can hide bits underneath. You've got your tyre inflator there and also the first aid kit, which is still there, which is good to see. And also the adjustable floor, so you can lower it down completely to give you an extra few inches, so that's really practical. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights, the multi-spoke alloy wheels and already the pre-mentioned rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance for just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.